So this is the balcony, and a portion of my kitchen is now on the floor because they had to remove some things from the ceiling so they can actually build a new ceiling. I am torn, like torn. Okay, so this is now how it looks like from the previous one. Okay, so the walls are up and the roofing has begun, or whatever you call that. So we're just hoping that by the end of the week the trusses will be done and then we'll be able to put in the ceiling. I'm running out of time when it comes to where we're going to stay. So yeah, this is my bathroom, shower, and this is my walk-in closet, which might not have a cupboard in a very long time because I'm broke as fuck. This is the main bedroom where apparently the magic will be happening. That's my electrical DB box, and that's my electrical place thingamajig. Yeah, so yep. So this is how big the sliding door will be. So it's like indoor, outside, sleeping area. Know what I'm saying? We get there eventually. It's so hot, we need a pool, but look at this. This is your pool. The pool is so fucking dirty. Shit. Yeah, no. And then there's that part as well. This door is coming out. That door is coming out. And this is my kitchen. This is the kitchen. Oh, look alike. Okay, so the tiles will be removed and the walls as well. There's my island. I hope it looks islandy once it's done. Like, this is to the bedroom from the kitchen. Yeah, I'm torn, so torn. I can't wait for this house to be a home. Like, look, it's like ruins. Okay, yeah, that's supposed to be my office over there. The door is over there, and now we're moving it over there where the butler is. I want to be able to see the view when I'm standing here. So yeah, we shall see.